We're recording. Hey guys, I'm Matthew. We have another camera set up right there. You should see. His name is Harry. We have some gun and some bullets right here. He has a gun and equal bullets. We only have one Nerf gun, just because Harry doesn't buy many. And Harry, you can show them, the viewers, how to like crank up this, how to like put bullets in it and start shooting it.
And here's the bullet. You stuff it in here, then you put it up, then you do this, and here's the scope.
Then you shoot. Yeah, that's the basics.
You can
so guys,
attach this.
I'm over here. I'm over here on this side with you.
Put 4 bullets here to shoot it. And now let's do this.
Wait, let me just show them my part. Show your camera your part. So guys, as you can see, that's Harry's video camera. And then mine is over here, propped up. This is not my house, this is Harry's house. Yeah, this is my gun. He has the exact same one. We each have the same amount of bullets just to make it even. And after someone's out, I think, do we pause it and then collect them, then restart?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
do it anytime someone gets shot. Okay? So as you can see, my gun's all cranked up, right? I'm over here on this side, Harry's on that side. We're going to be starting in 3. Say to your camera as well. You count down on your camera, and then I count down on my camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! How close was that?
Not really that close.
Are we allowed to collect each other's bullets?
Yes.
Harry, did you even prank it?
I don't have any.
Hit?
No.
Yeah, I hit you. You said ow.
No, I didn't. I said, damn.
Where'd that bullet go? There it is.
Shot y'all.
I know. I shot you as well. Are you out? Are you out?
Huh?
Harry, here, there's the bullet right there.
Repeat.
JK! Okay, you want to say repeat or something? Restart?
Repeat.
Okay, guys, we're now restarting. Let me just check to see, make sure my camera's still recording. Oh, yeah, we're perfectly fine. 3 minutes in. Make sure your camera's still recording, Harry. Is it good?
It's not even recording.
Oh, click it again and restart then. Well, at least we have some video on camera. What video was it?
This thing. Oh. That's my order. I hate it.
Okay, Harry. So we still have my thing recording, Harry.
Yeah.
So go back to your thing and restart the camera.
But it's still got some recording.
It's okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Let's
It's
delete
good.
it.
Yeah, delete it and then we'll restart it.
Yeah. Let me delete some of the videos.
Okay. Well, my thing's recording right now, Harry, so we're not having much of a Nerf battle.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, about this. We just have a quick error. Harry's recorder stopped, so we have to restart it now.
Oh yes.
Sorry about this. I don't know how to edit out stuff, so guys, you should tell me how. Please.
I know.
Or does it only happen on computer? I'm asking my viewers. Okay, so well, we don't know really what to do now. I'm just gonna wait for Harry to do this, and then yeah. Tell me whenever you're ready, Harry. I'll show you.
Let's go up, okay? Let's go up. Let's
Upstairs?
Go up. Yeah. Stop it.
Why?
Because my mom's calling me.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Did I hit you?
Miss?
It went right across your face then.
It went across.
So guys, this video has to end here because we have to go upstairs to do something. So bye.